In this video, I'll show you how to turn on off keyboard sounds on iOS 18. Now doing this is very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your settings application. So you want to hop right into here, and then what you want to do is you want to go right until you see sounds and haptics. So go right into sounds and haptics right here. And then what you want to do here is you basically just want to go ahead and scroll over until you find this little option right here. So right under System Sounds and Haptics, you want to go ahead and basically these sounds that you have here, you can go and kind of configure. So here where it says keyboard feedback, you want to go ahead and if you want to keep these things on, you can. But if you want to turn off your sound of your keyboard, you want to go and turn off this sound option right here. This is by far the number one thing I'd recommend every single person to do is to turn off that sound. And that is the first thing you can pretty much do here. Now you can also go and turn off your lock sounds and all this other stuff here, but that's basically the first thing to do. Now when you go through and you actually start using your phone again, what you can do is you can start noticing that if you go and type in your whatever you type in on your phone, the vibration won't be there, but that's optional. The sound will no longer be going through. If you go and turn that off, if you turn it on, then the sound will be there. So that's basically how it works. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.